Okay, welcome back. I know I just put a video out about the lathe, but I have been still kind of cleaning up the shop, recuperating from having it all out of sorts from getting that lathe in here. And I thought I would go ahead and take a chance to do a little bit of improvement on some of my other equipment. Like my drill press here, as you can see, this area of the shop is not lit very well. I mean, it's just bad lighting. I've always struggled with lighting while trying to drill stuff. And I've tried these little magnetic lights that you get free from Harbor Freight. And those are okay, but it seems like no matter where you put it, you're always going to get a shadow from somewhere. So I installed, you could probably already see it right there, a ring light. And just with a 3D printed spacer to hold it on there. It's just a friction fit. I have my control right there. Now this light I got on eBay. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So I got that light on eBay for, I think it's like $5 or $6. It was literally the cheapest one I could find on eBay, and I bought 2 of them. And so now I've got like perfect lighting for drilling. It's all the way around, so shouldn't get a shadow from wherever I'm at. Should be able to see what I'm doing perfectly fine. And I just ran the wire up. That's just a magnetic clip holding the cable there, so that's not a permanent thing. Zip tied it to the main power cord, and I will then put a power bank on the far wall back there to plug that in, plus the bandsaw I'll show you here in a second. So see how it just goes up and down with the quill. Again, there you can see the 3D printed part. That is a tight enough fit. I don't expect that to move anywhere. And I think I first got the idea from that from an Adam Savage video, I think, years ago. And it kind of just stuck in the back of my mind. And one day I was on YouTube and I saw one of those ring lights and I'm like, that would be perfect for my drill press. That's exactly what I need for my drill press. Let me show you the bandsaw and how I put one onto the bandsaw. The one for the bandsaw is a little bit different because obviously it is a ring light and the bandsaw is a continuous blade. So I had to do something a little bit extra special to that to get it on there. Let me go and turn it on. And with the control, you can make it dim or bright. You can change the mood. So, you know, if I'm happy or sad while I'm cutting stuff, I can change the mood to reflect that. And you'll notice this one, I did put a zip tie. Different adapter. I made it to where it goes over the steel post here. So this will still raise up and down for the guard there. So it just goes up and down with that, controlled by the knob here. It was a tight fit, but I put a zip tie on it just to make sure it wouldn't vibrate loose. And this one, I did put a couple of zip ties on it because I did have to split right there. I did have to split the ring, so it's not as tight as it should be. And as far as how I got the light on there, I don't know if we can see it, right there. I cut it in half right there. I put it on the back side so it wouldn't be as noticeable. I literally cut the thing in half. Now the circuit board inside, there's a couple of rows of LEDs. The circuit board is a continuous loop of traces all the way around. So I cut the circuit board, and the traces I cut, I just soldered wires on. And so there's a wire that solders onto the board here, goes all the way around inside, and then resolders to the other side over here. And I did 3 wires like that. And to be honest with you, I don't know if I really had to do that because the traces look continuous all the way around. So I kind of wish I would have tested it before I soldered the wires on, just to make sure. But anyways, if you have equipment in poorly lit areas that you need good light for, check out these ring lights on eBay. Again, you can get them for like really cheap. It's like I said, I don't know, maybe $7. $7, 3D print a couple of adapters. And if you don't have a 3D printer, I'm sure you can cut something out of a piece of wood easily enough to make an adapter to hold it on there. So anyways, just thought I would share the quick little tip that I copied from someone else. No, I got inspiration from someone else. That's it. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching.